The solar system was alive with energy and anticipation. Planets spun in the dark, starry sky, following invisible paths around their leader, the sun. Each planet had its own heart, mind and dreams, a family living together in the vastness of space. Once every orbit, when the stars aligned, they gathered for the great solar gathering, a celebration of their cosmic dance. Today was that day, and excitement buzzed through space. Mercury zipped along, full of energy. Venus shimmered behind her cloudy veil, shy but happy. Earth hummed a gentle song, her blue ocean swirling with life. Mars, with his reddish glow, looked forward to seeing his neighbors. Even the distant giants, Jupiter and Saturn, rumbled with anticipation. The planets gathered in a graceful arc, the sun shining brightly at the center. Its golden light touched each planet, making them sparkle. Comets zoomed past, asteroids watched with curiosity. The whole solar system seemed to hold its breath, a moment of pure magic. Each planet felt a special connection to the others, like brothers and sisters. Sometimes they teased, sometimes they raced, but they always looked out for one another. They knew they were part of something bigger, a team, a family of worlds. The Great Solar Gathering was their chance to celebrate this bond. It reminded them they were never truly alone in the vastness of space. Together they formed a cosmic family, united by the sun's light and love. The gathering was about to begin. The sun glowed with a gentle, steady light, its voice warm and deep. "Welcome, my children," the sun said, its words echoing with kindness. "You have all traveled far along your paths, spinning and dancing through another year. I am proud of each of you. You make our solar system a place of wonder and beauty. Let us share our stories and celebrate our journey together." The planets turned toward the sun, feeling its warmth. Mercury tingled with heat. Earth's forests and seas glowed. Even distant Neptune felt a flicker of warmth. The sun's welcome made them feel safe and cherished. A big, warm hug across the solar system. "Let us begin our introductions," the sun continued. "Our differences make our family strong. Mercury, you are closest. Share your adventures with us." The sun's words set a tone of respect and friendship. The planets listened eagerly, curious about each other's lives. What was it like to be so close to the sun, to have many moons, to weather storms? The Great Solar Gathering had officially begun, filled with anticipation and the promise of wonderful stories. Each planet was ready to share. The family of worlds leaned in, eager to listen. Mercury zipped forward, his voice quick and excited. "Hello everyone! I'm Mercury, the closest to the sun. I move fast. 1 year is just 88 Earth days. I don't have moons, but I love racing around my path and seeing amazing things. My surface is covered in craters, stories of ancient space rocks. My days are scorching, my nights freezing, but I cherish being the first to greet the sun each day." Next, Venus floated forward, her voice soft and mysterious. "Greetings, family. I am Venus, the second planet. Earth's sister in size, but very different. My thick clouds trap heat, making me the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury. I spin slowly and in the opposite direction, a unique dance. My day is longer than my year, and beneath my clouds I have volcanoes and mountains. I am a world of secrets, shining brightly in the morning and evening sky." Mercury and Venus shared a glance, each unique, each proud of their place. The inner circle had spoken, their stories setting the stage for the rest. The family listened, inspired by their differences. The gathering moved on, eager for more tales. The sun beamed, proud of its closest companions. The cosmic dance continued, each planet ready to share. The solar system's story was just beginning. The next voice was Earth's. Earth, the blue and white marble, moved forward with a gentle musical voice. "Hello, my dear family, I am Earth, the third planet from our sun. My home is just right, not too hot, not too cold. My blue oceans are the secret to my greatest treasure, life. I am home to countless creatures, from tiny microbes to giant whales, tall trees to small flowers. My moon is my faithful companion, lighting my nights and pulling on my oceans. I have 4 seasons, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, each bringing its own beauty. My atmosphere protects me, a thin shield keeping my living treasures safe." The other planets listened in awe, knowing Earth was special. "Being a living world is a wonderful gift," Earth concluded. "I will continue to be a careful guardian of my precious home. I cherish every sunrise and sunset. It is an honor to be the blue jewel of our solar system." Earth's story filled the gathering with hope and wonder. The planets felt inspired by her song of life. The next to speak was Mars. Mars, the small reddish planet, rolled forward with a hopeful voice. "Hi everyone, I'm Mars, the 4th planet, the red planet. I have the tallest volcano, Olympus Mons, and a canyon that stretches across my world. My two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, keep me company. My atmosphere is thin, so it gets cold, and dust storms can cover me for weeks. Long ago, I may have had rivers and oceans. Now most of my water is frozen at my poles. I dream of what it was like to have water flowing freely. Earth has sent robotic explorers to visit me. They are my guests, and I watch them roam my plains. It gives me hope that one day, my story will be understood. I am the Red Wanderer, a world of dust and dreams. I remind you of what was and what could be. I will keep watch and wait, ever hopeful for the future. Mars's story was one of resilience and hope. The family listened, moved by his dreams. The next to speak was Jupiter. A deep, rumbling voice filled the space. Jupiter, the king of the planets, moved forward. Greetings, my little brothers and sisters. I am Jupiter, the fifth planet and the largest of all. My immense gravity helps catch stray asteroids and comets, protecting the inner planets. My famous Great Red Spot is a storm bigger than Earth, raging for centuries. I am a gas giant made of swirling hydrogen and helium. I have a huge family, over 79 moons. My four largest are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. They are like little worlds themselves, dancing around me. My fast rotation creates beautiful bands and powerful storms. I am a world of immense scale and power, but my greatest joy is being your guardian. I will continue to watch over our family with a steady, loving presence. Jupiter's strength brought comfort to the gathering. The planets felt safe under his watchful eye. The next to shine was Saturn. The family awaited the ringed wonder's story. The cosmic celebration continued. Saturn glided forward, adorned with stunning, shimmering rings. Hello, darlings. I am Saturn, the sixth planet, and I like to think I have the most style. My rings are made of billions of icy, rocky pieces, creating a beautiful halo. I am a gas giant, light enough to float in a giant bathtub. I have over 80 moons. My largest, Titan, has a thick, hazy atmosphere and lakes of methane. Enceladus, another moon, shoots plumes of water ice into space. My family is full of surprises and wonders. My rings catch the sun's light, reminding me we are all connected. I bring elegance and wonder to our solar system. I will continue to spin and shine, a beacon of celestial artistry. Saturn's dazzling display inspired awe. The planets admired his beauty and grace. The gathering turned to the distant ice giants. Uranus and Neptune were ready to speak. Uranus and Neptune, the distant blue-green orbs, came forward together. Hey there, everyone, said Uranus. I'm the seventh planet, spinning on my side, an oddball with strange seasons. My pale blue-green color comes from methane in my atmosphere. I have faint rings and 27 moons, all named after literary characters. Neptune spoke, his voice like a distant wind. I am the eighth and farthest planet. The light here is faint, but enough. I am the windiest planet. My storms move faster than sound. It takes me 165 Earth years to orbit the sun. My largest moon, Triton, orbits me backwards and is one of the coldest places in the solar system. Out here, I am the quiet guardian of the frontier. Uranus and Neptune shared a bond, resilient, mysterious, and strong. The family listened, grateful for their watchful presence at the edge. The solar system's story was almost complete. The sun's light reached even the farthest worlds. The gathering neared its end. When the last planet had spoken, a warm silence filled the space. The sun beamed, its light growing brighter. Thank you, my children, for sharing your stories. Each of you is special. Mercury's speed, Venus's mystery, Earth's life, Mars's hope, Jupiter's strength, Saturn's beauty, Uranus and Neptune's resilience. You're all different, but together you create a perfect balance. You are a team, dancing in harmony around me. Each of you plays a vital part in our solar system. Never forget you are connected, by gravity and by love. The planets felt unity, looking at each other as family. Jupiter's size protected Earth, Earth's life inspired Mars, Saturn's rings brought beauty to all. They were a cosmic tapestry woven with light and gravity. Their journey was shared, a family of worlds traveling through the endless night. As the great solar gathering ended, the planets drifted back to their orbits. They carried a renewed sense of purpose and belonging. The solar system was more than a collection of worlds. It was a home, a family, full of wonder and possibility. And as they continued their graceful dance, they knew they were part of something truly amazing. A harmonious family, forever spinning together in the grand, magical theater of the cosmos.